Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to your English lesson for the day. Today we are going to be learning about the long E sound. We are going to identify words that have the long E sound. And what does that mean? It means we are going to find different words that have an E sound. In the previous lesson, we learnt about another vowel sound. Can you remember what vowel sound we learnt about? That's right, we learnt about the long O, and it makes an O sound. The long E makes an E sound. Now it's almost the weekend, and you are doing your lessons at home. So what are the activities that you can do that have an E sound? Here are some examples. You can sweep the floor. You can heat up your own food with the help of your parent. Or when you sneeze, you can use hand sanitizer. So the words that were mentioned are sweep, heat, and sneeze. All three words have an E sound. So today we are learning about the long E vowel. And words that have a long E vowel usually have these spelling words. Here are some pictures that have an E sound. Can you say the words for me? Amazing! Let us go over it together. Sheep, queen, wheel. Amazing work. Now, you are going to look at each picture and you are going to think of the long E word that fits with each picture. I'm going to give you some time to think, and remember, each picture is a long E sound. That is your hint. The first word is cheetah. The second word is feed. The third word is tree. The fourth word is sleep. And look how slowly it's coming up. And the last word is it toe? No, that has a long O sound. It is the word feet. Can you hear the E sound in each word? Amazing work. The long E team can make the long E vowel sound. So if you look at these letters, when you put them together, it makes the E sound. For example, tea, teach, and lean. The monkey is going to lean on her book. Now, let's use the pictures to spell the long E vowel sound. I'm going to give you a few minutes and you are going to try and think of what word goes with each picture. Let us begin. If you need extra time, you can pause the video here. The first word is meat. The second word, team. Can you see the letters E-A? Beach, easel, and peanut butter. Now the letter Y can also make the long E vowel sound. And the letter Y is usually at the end of a word. For example, jelly, bunny, and jellyfish. I want you to look at the following pictures and I want you to think of what word with a long E sound goes with each picture. You can pause the video and take your time. Play the video again when you are ready to go over the answers. Candy, trophy, ladybug, windy, and bakery. Sometimes just the letter E can make the long E vowel sound. For example, beneath, can you see the letter E? If you listen to the sound, beneath. Then you have the word even. It's only one letter E, but it makes an E sound, even. Now you get a chance to watch a video. So I want you to sit back. You're going to pause this video and I want you to go onto your OneNote and click on any of the video links. I hope you enjoy the video about the long E sound. Remember, you can watch one video, you can watch 2 videos, or you can watch all 3. It's completely up to you. Now you get a chance to play a game. You can play the game with your friend, by yourself, or with your parent. You're going to pause the video and go down to your OneNote and click on the link for your game time. Now I want to see if you understood today's lesson. You are going to pause the video, scroll down to your OneNote, click on the assessment and answer the questions about the long E sound. But I know you already understand the work, so good luck and I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you so much for being an amazing student. Assalamu alaikum.